We got a bunch of comments recently on a video clip about the pricing and profitability of t-shirts, specifically how many t-shirts it takes to pay off a heat press. Now, some people did have some valid points. Some people had some very strong feelings, and some people, honestly, you guys, go touch some grass or hug your kids or something. In defense of that video, it's just a ballpark, for goodness sake. I mean, businesses are as different as the people running them. So anytime you see any video on the internet giving you a set of numbers, you can all but guarantee that your experience is going to be different. But seeing people's passion for the topic did make me think that we should revisit it in a little bit more depth. If that was the ballpark, well, how do we get closer to home plate? So in this video, we're gonna see what people are actually charging for custom t-shirts, how much it costs to make a shirt. We'll look at some baseline expectations for profit, and then we'll have a peek at a few basic overhead costs for home businesses. And lastly, we'll revisit the original question, how many t-shirts does it take to pay off a heat press? All right, here's what people are actually charging. When it came time to research what people are actually paying for custom t-shirts, I went to my old pal, Google. I looked up custom printed t-shirt and went to the top 4 sites: Sticker Mule, Rush Order Tees, Custom Ink, and Canva. I also got pricing from 2 of the top sellers on Etsy. The results were very interesting. When it comes to final price after tax and shipping, Sticker Mule was the most affordable at $20.47, and Custom Ink was the most expensive at $34.75. With all sellers factored in, the average price across the board was about $26.68. Delivery times were all over the place, with the big 4 online retailers ranging from 8 to 15 business days. Both of our Etsy sellers offered a 2 to 5 business day delivery. And that brings the average delivery estimate across all sellers to about 8 business days, or nearly 2 weeks. All things considered, a custom t-shirt ordered online costs about $26.68 and takes 8 business days to be delivered on average. Now, this is great for you, the local home printer, because you could easily beat online printers on service and speed, aka being nicer and faster. You could price your shirts however you want, but if you could successfully communicate your value, you shouldn't have to worry about competing on price with online printers. Now let's talk about what it actually costs to produce a t-shirt. We're gonna look at 3 common situations for starter home shops and small businesses. Let's first look at the casual user. Now this is actually a worst case scenario money-wise, because it's the most expensive way to source materials for a print job. This person averages less than an order per week, so they're buying materials per job. And that means that every order equals a trip to Michael's for a blank t-shirt and ordering a single DTF print. Time out. Let's pause for a second. We got so much hate in the comments for charging $8.85 for a single DTF print at Heat Press Nation. However, at Heat Press Nation, if it ships ground, we ship it for free. No minimums, no memberships, just good old-fashioned free shipping. Not even Amazon does that. And when we priced out single DTF prints, we couldn't find anyone else who offers free shipping. So to get a single DTF print shipped, I don't believe there's a cheaper option out there. Okay, unpause, time in, whatever. Back to our casual user scenario. We have a sale price of $27. Our cost to produce is $13.67, which gives us a net profit of $13.33. Our margin in this situation is great at almost 50%, but our effective hourly rate is pretty weak at $12.30. The big time killers here are needing to run to the store to get a blank shirt and waiting for your heat press to heat up for a single t-shirt. $12.30 is below the minimum wage in 10 states, including my home here in California. That's better than losing money on your hobby, but still, it's not sustainable as a business and not legal in many states. All right, next up is our small business with regular orders, but not quite daily use. Now, this person is probably still working from home, pressing orders about twice a week, and has a consistent flow of work. This represents a lot of side hustle printers out there. They order blank shirts in batches to spread the shipping costs across multiple orders. and they combine their artwork on large gang sheets to spread their print costs. And with just those 2 changes, they save almost $5 in material and electricity costs, eliminated the gas cost, and saved 45 minutes in time per print versus the casual user. This represents a big shift. It's where the juice is finally worth the squeeze. Our margin goes up from 49% to 67%, and our effective hourly rate goes up from $12.30 to $54.29. Now, for my state, that goes from below minimum wage to over triple it. Okay, time out, but this is the last time out, I promise. We got a lot of comments on electricity usage, but once we looked into it, the expense is pretty negligible. We use the Orange County, California average rate of 32 cents per kilowatt hour for our calculations. Now at this rate, running a heat press for a half hour is gonna cost you less than a quarter. Once the press is heated up, it's gonna cost about 20 to 40 cents per hour to keep it running. Now when you spread that cost across multiple orders that you press, that expense is pretty minimal. So to everybody out there crying about the electricity, stop. If your press is on all day, every day, you should be actually using it. And if you are using it that much, it should be making you lots of money. Okay, time in, unpause, whatever. Let's get back to it. Okay, the third type of business we're gonna look at is our small business with daily orders. This person may or may not have an employee or family member helping out. We're still in the side hustle territory, but pulling a few levers like paid ads and consistent social media posting could really help tip the scale towards making this a main hustle. This person has the consistent business to justify larger orders of blanks that break the free shipping threshold and huge gang sheets for maximum savings on direct-to-film prints. The increase in their volume also brings down their average time spent per order. These cost-saving measures boost their net profit to $19.90 with a margin rate of over 73%. Their average time spent per order comes down to 13 minutes, giving an effective hourly rate of $91.83. Realistically, they also have some monthly overhead, which we'll talk about in just a moment. All right, what I've just presented is a very simple cost estimation for 3 different common scenarios. Now, there's no way we could address all the variables in one video, but we can present a baseline. That being said, there are a few common variables that will affect your real-world results. For example, if you're selling on Etsy, you're gonna pay a 20-cent listing fee, payment processing fee of 3% plus 25 cents, and a 6.5% transaction fee. Now on our $25 custom t-shirt, that comes out to $2.83 or over 11% pulled from your pocket. If you're selling at a community market, you'll have to spread the cost of your booth or table across everything that you sell that day. And if you're using a luxurious blank t-shirt, well, that's gonna increase your cost too. If your city is chock full of other t-shirt printers, you might actually have to lower your price to stay competitive. A business running significant volume, like the third option that we looked at, is almost certainly gonna have monthly and annual overhead. Web domain, online storefront, digital advertising, payment processors, and professional tax services are just a few of the additional costs of scaling up your home printing business. Now, after a few months of established, consistent sales, you can figure out what percentage of each sale goes to your overhead. But in the beginning, what you'll want to do is work off of your break-even point. See what your monthly expenses are, and then figure out how many t-shirts you need to sell to break even for the month. That number is your minimum sales goal, and everything after that is how you build your business and pay for diapers and eggs and whatever else you got. Okay, it's time for me to shut up, all right? I apologize, this is just so much darn talking in this video just to answer a simple question. So back to the original point of the video that ticked everybody off in the comment section. How many t-shirts does it take to pay off a heat press? In that original video, we used the Empress 15 by 15 inch, which as of this video retails for $389.95. In this video, we showed 3 different scenarios for profit per print. So from least to greatest by profit, you'd pay your heat press off in 30, 22, or 20 t-shirt sales. Again, that number is gonna vary, but even if it was double that, there are so many other businesses out there where your equipment would take way longer to pay off. And trust me, I've tried side hustles as a musician, as a graphic designer and as a photographer, believe it or not. And in all those situations, it took me so long to use my work to pay off my guitars, my computers, and my cameras. So you're in a good spot. And you have to remember, businesses out there are as different as the people running them. So of course, your numbers are gonna look different than what we covered in this video. Unless you're gonna perfectly replicate someone's scenario 100%, you should take anything you see online as an estimate. We're all different, and that diversity is honestly what makes this community so incredible. What I absolutely love about apparel printing is that it's a huge billion-dollar industry with more than enough room for everyone. It's also flexible. You get out of this business what you put into it. So whether you're looking for side income or starting a full-time business, there's a path for you, and it starts with a heat press. If you're looking to start a t-shirt printing business, you gotta check out Heat Press Nation. We have everything you need for heat transfer printing with direct-to-film, heat transfer vinyl, sublimation, direct-to-garment, and more. We also have the largest selection of professional heat presses in the USA and over 60,000 5-star reviews online from our satisfied customers. Give our friendly team of heat press professionals a call at 800-215-0894, or you can visit our website anytime at heatpressnation.com.